Whoa, what the f?
First of all, you can't even blame her. You gotta
That
blame
was so
you.
Oh, I saw that happening. I saw that happen. It's traffic. Oh, she gonna make sure that nigga don't bounce. There's no way.
She bouncing. She trying to figure out who did it. She think it's you.
There's no way.
She don't
She don't stop right here. What's she? No, she ain't no way.
We
We have nothing to do with this.
She trying to stop.
She trying. There's no way she's trying to leave. Oh, this is retarded.
She don't know who hit her.
She don't know who hit her.
She think it's you.
She thinks it's you.
Yep.
Is there a problem?
Go ahead. I was just walking.
Oh, you seem kind of upset. You seem kind of upset.
Pedestrian. You should probably yield for a pedestrian.
I did.
Away, right?
You were looking down.
I looked up and you're still going.
No, I stopped.
What's your fucking problem?
I'm asking you if you're okay.
Really?
I'm just.
You roll down your window and come at me?
I'm not coming at you.
I'm a pedestrian.
I understand.
Okay?
I understand.
All right, got it?
Are you
Anything
good?
else you want to say to me?
Are you good?
Are you
Did I
good?
run?
You're
Did I run you
rolling
over?
your window down.
I'm asking you if you're
being
okay.
confrontational. What's
I'm
your
not.
problem?
I'm not being confrontational. I'm asking you if you're okay.
Oh my God, you idiot! What is wrong with you?
These two are about to get in a fight. Oh my God!
What?
He just pump pointed a pistol.
Somebody pointed a pistol?
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, BB9. 2, 3, 4, 5, BB9. 2, 3, 4, 5, BB9. You got that?
brake like that. You
See why we are number one. Eligible customers
What
get
the
Verizon for free. Yeah, you heard
Are
that
you
right.
kidding me?
The Affordable Connectivity Program, also known as
better hit them. Oh. Pull over right now. Oh. Pull over. He's pulling over there. Hello. We got a right now. Take a picture of the license plate. Where are you? Got it. We're on the pull over. That's not pulling over. That's running.